Today's event is going to be really special one because like many other milestones we have achieved before, Ruby General Hospital is going to create another milestone in its journey of providing seamless, effective treatment to various strata of the society. This event will be graced today by your chairman, sir, Dr. Kamal Kumar Datta, founder chairman, Ruby General Hospital and Ruby Cancer Center. He is a fellow of American College of Surgery and Gynecology. He is a practicing doctor in New York City. Before wasting much of the time, I would request Sir Dr. Kamal Kumar Datta to kindly come on stage and proceed with today's event. Thank you.
Welcome to this delegates and press conference. We are extremely happy that you have come, and on behalf of Ruby General Hospital, its doctors, nurses and employees, we want to thank each one of you for taking the time to come and visit Ruby General Hospital. Now, today is a special day, and because we will be speaking on a special topic. But before that, I want to discuss certain other things, that why cancer and the pet city is so important to me. First thing is, we are the first NRI hospital in Eastern India, and I think in the whole of India, for a solo United States-based doctor to start a hospital is, we are alone in that. Now, the reason we started Ruby Hospital was because of cancer. My older sister had cancer at age 45, breast cancer, and she died after 1 year. So the whole thing in our family changed. My life also changed a bit because I thought of making a cancer center in Kolkata. Now, if you go to Ruby Hospital now, at this very moment, there will be 40 patients, 40 cancer patients waiting for radiotherapy, and we'll be doing 200 patients treatment for radiotherapy today. We have two machines. One is a KINAC 9 and the other is a variant Ruby. Now, most of the cancers is preventable, and I just want to mention a couple of things, that if we think in India or West Bengal, we'll treat every cancer, is not possible. We can have hospitals with 2,000, 3,000 beds. That is not possible. What we have to do is prevent. So we want to make this lesson very loudly and clearly that the prevention is the best thing. So we have to do mammogram to reduce the number of breast cancer. We have to do PSA, prostate specific antigen, to decrease the number of prostate cancer. We have to do low dose CT scan of the chest to prevent lung cancer, pap test to prevent cervical cancer, and colonoscopy to prevent colon cancer. These are preventable, and that is one of the main things I wanted all of you to know, that let the community know that at Ruby Hospital we are doing the test. We have a cancer charitable foundation all over West Bengal. We are doing these things also. Other thing is, you see, we are the only hospital in Eastern India selected as the top 50 best hospitals in India for 5 consecutive years, 2021 to 2025 by Newsweek magazine. there Ruby has set itself apart from any other hospital in Eastern India, and no hospital has gotten this honor. And only 2 hospitals have gotten this year, only one was SSKM Hospital, and the other was one of the Medica hospitals. So how did we get this what we call award, which we are the only hospital in Eastern India? Because those of the Newsweek magazine, they are checking us. Our preventive aspect is very, very strong. We are very strong in the treatment, but one of the things that differentiate us from other hospitals is the preventive aspect. And we are so glad to say for 5 consecutive years, we are the top 50 best hospitals in India. And